The main design concept of this house was to acknowledge and be inspired by a special feature of Mani's residential forms, the Ksemonia, meaning the one who has been left alone, which were lonely towers or small residential complexes standing alone in the rugged landscape of Mani and operating as shelters or observation points. From afar, these stone-built towers appear as just one more element of the land, like monolithic outbursts from the soil, yet their very existence records the imprint of the turbulent life of the traditional Mani on this remarkable landscape. The residential complex, consisting of 2 stone houses, is organized around 2 towers, placed in the plot so as to also allow a dynamic arrangement of the outdoor spaces and the entrances to the houses, and to define additional outdoor spaces. The modern tower houses are designed to be in close connection with the natural landscape, just as is the case with the traditional Mani architecture, which became an integral part of the place that gave birth to it. Each one of the monolith houses incorporates the symbol of the Mani Tower in their narrative. Around this powerful social element of traditional architecture and local history evolved the 2 houses' welcome areas, the living rooms, and the master bedrooms with ensuite bathroom on the tower's 2nd level. The furniture emphasizes a sense of exclusivity and a timeless design line. The forms were kept simple, and all the custom-designed furniture bear references to a simplified classicism. The fabrics and carpets used follow natural earthy tones, soothing the wild textures of Mani's stone and wood, balancing the interiors with the unique surrounding landscape. The materials emphasized the use of oak wood in 2 shades, which was combined with stones in close colors. The houses are designed so that one can live inside and outside, with equally dynamic spaces provided both indoors and outdoors. It thereby becomes possible to transfer one's life outside the home, in this case, into a courtyard divided into a set of spaces possessing different qualities and visual frames. Throughout, completely natural building materials that bear the signs of time have been chosen, and that show the marks of their origin and their processing. The materials function as a blank canvas upon which the interplay of light and shadow gently unfolds throughout the day. The stone characterizes the place, Mani as it is expressed both in the ground itself and in its traditional constructions. Mani as it evokes an architectural vocabulary of monolithicity, of austerity, of strict lines and geometric volumes. Concrete complements the natural materials, creating smaller artificial stonework in earth tones and with coarse textures. Wood creates soft, warm, and clean surfaces, also offering lattice shutters to complete the volumes. These materials are alternated inside and outside, intensifying the visual experience of the houses, constituting a natural but strictly conceived statement within the Messinian landscape. Although the main composition is expressed in the form of the towers, their extensions, which make up the rest of the complex, do not exist independently within the plot, but rather are brought together into a whole, echoing the established architectural forms of the region, but in so doing, also providing a modern interpretation of those same traditional typologies. Stone everywhere. Stone in the cobbled streets, the tower houses, and the churches. An enormous stone is the entire Mani, which you need 3 lives to see. One for the mountains, one for the sea, and one for the people. Anonymous traveler in Mani.